They know my story.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back again to show you guys, just basically just work with me, a video of me doing the distress lock. So I have tons of these videos. I just like to record them and post them, just because I just feel like it, and hopefully, you guys would I don't know, find something new or just find something. But as you can see, right now I am making, this is how I create my free part. So I start like this and, braid. I don't really braid to the end, because what's the point of braiding to the end? You want to braid halfway or almost to the end and then just twist it, because you want to save a lot of time for yourself. Braiding your client hair individually should not take more than an hour. Usually when I'm like in the mood, maybe like 45 minutes. But if I'm like really slow and I have like a very long day, maybe like an hour and 30 minutes max. It should never be 2 hours really. And now I am going to go on the side and then make the other parts. And that is how I start my free parts. I do have the link to the edge control in my description box, as well as rattle comb and also my magnetic wristband. We do have it in different colors, and we ship to anywhere in the United States, and shipping is like really fast. Like, you're gonna get your product or your item ASAP. So as I'm making that part at the other side, so I'm making another one over there, and as you can see, there is something that looks like a V shape, like where you can see my comb going through right now. That is where I'm going to make my next part. So that is just how I do my free parts. No really like logic to it. And then free parts, of course, takes makes everything go, like makes it faster, because you don't have to make the straight line, put your edge control, and then make your boxes. So it goes really fast. So for your boxes, it might end up taking a lot of time, maybe like an hour and 30 minutes for sure, or an hour for sure, to prep your client's hair for the locks. But for free parts, it's just very easy. You just part and braid, and there's no rules, or there's no crazy rules or crazy lines to it. So it saves you a lot of time. I think I did have about 56 or 55 counts, or 54 to 56 counts of locks for my client's hair, because she wanted kind of like full. I saw the picture that she showed me, and she wanted it like kind of full, I believe so. And I did use color 1B, and I used about 7 packs, aka 7 bundles. I do have the hair link in my description as well, and we used color 1B as well. The spring twist here 8 inches, and I use the same 8 inches for even my buttons and stuff. But I do have new product and new item coming through for you guys. So right now I am done, and I'm just going ahead to count. But as I'm counting, I'm going to just tell you guys more about the hair. So I don't dip this in hot water. I just use my hot towel to massage the body of my client's hair when I am done. And what that does, because people ask me, what does that do? What that does is that it makes like, just imagine like steaming something that is kind of stiff, or maybe not too stiff. Even just steaming your clothes, it just makes your clothes like softer and more flexible. So I use the hot towel. First, I boil my hot water, dip my dry towel in the hot water, and now it's just hot and wet. And then I squeeze it a little bit, and then I use the steam that's coming out from the towel to massage my client's hair, my client's scalp, so that, again, it can ease the pain, if any, because it's supposed to be really soft and really flexible, and massage the body of my client's hair to make the hair flexible and even softer. The hair is already soft, but honestly, softer. There's nothing wrong with, sorry guys. There is nothing wrong with, your client's locks or your client's braids or whatever being, softer and more flexible, so that they can be able to like flip it left and right, or put it up if they want to. And we're also doing, I think, bob, short and bob, like for my clients as well. But now we're going to start. So we're going to start with 2 strands. Right now I'm holding 2 strands. Usually I'll start with 1.5 strands, but I think starting with 2 strands makes it easier to understand. And now I'm going to go ahead and measure it, make sure that the one that I'm going to be wrapping over is longer, because I'm going to need the leftover braids to seal the ends. But you're going to see what I'm talking about as we go in this video. And now to create the loop, I know like I've done this hairstyle tons of time, like a lot of times. So it's hard for me to just be slow and like just show you guys what I do. But I believe at some point as we go in the video, you're going to see how I how I make that loop, and that loop is what makes your hair distressed or butterfly or whatever you choose to call it, because I feel like we do have a lot of names for this style. So if you like what you see, this is the tutorial for what you like and what you see for sure. I know I have nails right now, but you don't really need to have long nails for you to get this look. You can literally you can have short nails and you'll be able to still get this look or achieve this look. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, right now I'm just wrapping and making my loop, and I'll just every now and then I'll probably go and measure to make sure that we are the same length at the back, just to make sure the length is constant and is the bob or is it short that my client does want. I'll just go there and length check, and then I'm gonna keep wrapping, and then I'm gonna wrap all the way back up, and that is how I seal my ends. I wrap the hair back up. Right now, okay, that's how I make the loop. But I think as we go in the video, I'll show you guys. I think it's gonna be clearer. You guys are gonna see how I actually do make the loop. And right now, I'm just wrapping all the way back up. You see, we do have few left over, the one that we wrapped with and the one that we're wrapping over. And right now, I'm just wrapping the first part over to the top to seal the ends, and then I'm going to take the other one and wrap it as well. And then when I am done, I am going to rub it to my palm, and that is all I do. There is nothing like unraveling when you seal the ends. I've never really had to use a lighter or nail glue to seal the ends of my locks. This is how I do my locks. And yeah, this is how it's looking like right now. And that is what I'm going to do for the rest of my clients here. Let me know if you have any questions. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's FAUXLOCS.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, see me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's FAUXLOCS.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They're pretty about that. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original. Original Batman, mash up the place. Then a Batman, mash up the place. Original Batman, mash up the place. Then a Batman, mash up the place.
Just say no, 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 no.
Batman, mash up the place. Then a Batman, mash up the place.
Just say yeah,
Batman, mash up the place. Then a Batman, mash up the place. Original Batman, mash up the place. Then a Batman, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
no, 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 no.
Batman, mash up the place. Then a Batman, mash up the place.
Just say yeah,
Batman, mash up the place. Then a Batman, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no.
Batman, mash up the place. Then a Batman, mash up the place.
Just say yeah,
Batman, mash up the place. Then a Batman, mash up the place. Batman, mash up the place. Then a Batman, mash up the place. Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Original Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the
It's
vibe.
fake kills.
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feelin' on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that? Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, see me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They're pretty about that. Bad man, what you say?
Standard. No, 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 no.
Original.
Yeah.
Original Batman,
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Original Batman. Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they really your number one I control. So they really meant for the girls when they come through. Come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me, yeah, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man.